This one's for loosening your waist and relaxing through the upper body, at the same time developing your Tai Chi root. And this one's for real beginners. Toes straight forward, feet separated apart, knees bent slightly, lift the arms up about shoulder level, and then let them drop. As they drop, let them swing as you twist and turn to the left or to the right. Come back up to center, drop and turn, up back to center, drop and turn, and then get into a rhythm. The trick here is to return to the center each time. Don't just twist back and forth. Come up to center, drop, drop, knees slightly bent, drop, drop, and then feel a lifting where the arms feel light and heavy, light and heavy. Do this for about 15, 20 times, or until you feel that you're able to turn in your waist better and that you feel more relaxed in your neck, arms, and shoulders. Be sure to let the head turn. I'm looking at you, but turn each time with the head as well, so that the neck is not stiffly held in place.